Hello, good day and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 28. The objective of school health program include the following except A. Giving health record, B. Giving immunization, C. Control of communicable diseases, D. Assessment of teaching and learning aid, and E. Assessment of handicapped children. So, school health program. School health program ensure that the school pupils school health program ensure that the school pupils are as healthy as possible as healthy as possible and to obtain the maximum benefits from his or her education. Now, from what I just explained now, you see that school health program is mainly what's ensured or aimed at was catering for the health of every school pupil and even what school workers, not just school pupils alone or students, but school health program is ensured what to cater for the what for the health of every member of the school, and it involves keeping of what health records, given immunization, control of communicable disease in the school, and what assessment of handicapped children. But if you look at option D here, option D says assessment of teaching and learning aid. Now, this is not the what objective of the school health program. This is not the objective of the school health program because school health program is not concerned with what with assessment of teaching or learning aid. Theirs is just concerned with what with the health status and what health promotions